Hey, hey little pumpkin, what are you doing? Hmm? Look, what is this? We don't know, you got green feet. Hmm? What are you smelling? What are you smelling? Hmm? Look at the little pumpkin. Just like your dad. Just like your dad had to be a pumpkin. Hmm? You got a sock. What you got? What you got? Mike, sit her up for me. I can see the front or pick her up. Let me see your costume. There we go. Hey, hey. You look so cute. You look so cute. Fix her hat. Look at that hat. Look at you. You going trick-or-treating? October 31st, 2010. Your first Halloween. Let me get the top of the hat with this cute little... Hey, what are you doing? Hey, give me this. Hey. Look. Hey. 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 There she goes.